In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use tags in Mailchimp to enhance your email marketing campaigns. This process is straightforward and can really help you organize your audience better and create more targeted content. First, let's get started by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head straight to the audience section. You'll find this option in the main panel. It's basically the heart of all your subscriber management in Mailchimp. Now, once you're in the audience dashboard, look for the tags option. It's where we'll be focusing our energy today. Tags in Mailchimp are essentially labels that help you categorize your subscribers based on certain criteria that you decide. Next, go ahead and click on the Create Tag button. This is where you can get a little creative. Think about what kind of segmentation criteria you want to use. Is it based on interest, purchase behavior, location? Go ahead and give your tag a name that clearly reflects this segmentation. This clarity will be incredibly beneficial as your number of tags grows. Now that you have your tags created, it's time to assign them to your subscribers. You have options here. You can do it manually, which is great if you're working with a smaller list or need to apply the tag to specific individuals. Alternatively, you can automate the process. This is especially useful if you frequently have new people signing up. You can set up your sign-up forms and automation workflows to automatically tag new subscribers, saving you a lot of time and ensuring everyone is categorized as they join. With your tags all set up, you can now use them to filter and target specific groups within your campaigns. This is where you can see the power of your segmentation. By targeting specific groups, you can tailor your messages to resonate more with your audience's needs and preferences, potentially increasing your engagement rates significantly. Finally, it's important to monitor the performance of your tags. Keep an eye on how different tagged groups are interacting with your campaigns. Are certain tags leading to higher open rates or click-throughs? Use this insight to make adjustments when necessary. Updating and refining your tags can help you stay relevant to your audience's evolving interests and behaviors. By following these steps, you'll have a much more organized audience in Mailchimp, allowing you to reach the right people with the right message at the right time. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!